Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Hey, what a guan? You like drink coffee? Do you like drinking coffee? Don't be ashamed if you're a big coffee drinker. I admit I love a fine cup of Java. There are not many things I would prefer than a cup of great latte. The coffee beans are essential, and depending on where they are grown, drives the flavor for the drinker. What kind of coffee beans do you put in your espresso machine? I hope you don't drink the already grounded canned stuff. Serious coffee drinkers prefer buying the best Jamaican coffee. With the advent of the pandemic, there has been a surge in the amount of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee that is being ordered online these days. What is so special about Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee? Distinguished by a taste that lacks bitterness, bright acidity, and a subtle sweet taste, the Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is one of the most sought after in the world. As a result, it is considered one of the most expensive and rare coffee that is available. The authentic Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is harvested along the steep grade of the Jamaican Blue Mountains. The level of difficulty that comes with this process also contributes to the price being expensive. Coffee beans should be bought once a week so they never get too old and always have that great flavor. Of course, there are some other options at hand. It doesn't include growing or roasting the beans by you. I am talking about the Jamaican Groceries online alternative. Today you can buy absolutely anything you wish from cyberspace, with the dominant outlet being Amazon. This includes Stellar Java of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. It is widely considered to be the very best among coffee. Have you been lucky enough to taste the great Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee? It is world famous for its quality. The great flavor and quality is attributed to the soil and the growth process. These are the two factors which are vital for growing coffee. If you have great conditions, you get great beans, rich and flavored. Thus, if you have never tasted it, try to purchase some Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Depending on where you live in foreign, you might be lucky enough to have it in a supermarket near you. But again, this new trend is getting it online. One important thing to note is that after purchase, you cannot expect to keep it forever. It only takes a week or two before coffee beans start excreting oils. If you notice this, get some new coffee beans and throw away the old ones. Try Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. No matter how you make your coffee or how you take it, you will certainly love the taste. You can purchase it online and get it delivered right to your doorstep. Check out the links in the description to order later. Zine.